Hi, I'm Ken Romali with Agile Sigma Academy. I'm happy to share this video on Lean Six Sigma principles as part of my effort to help people think like a black belt. The video is from one of my e-learning courses available online. If you like it, consider taking the full course and earning a certification of your own in Lean or Six Sigma. A special discount code is available just for you in the comments section below and at the end of the video. But enough about me. Let's talk about business process improvement. Welcome to the course. I'm so excited to have you here. Whether you are looking to advance in your current job, to start a new career in Six Sigma, or just want to learn some of the basics of this powerful methodology, you have come to the right place. In this video, I will give you a little bit of information about me and my personal journey from Six Sigma novice to Master Black Belt. I'm going to introduce you to my unique Six Sigma teaching method, the same method I have used to train senior leaders at Fortune 500 companies. Your journey to Six Sigma White Belt starts now. My name is Ken Romali. I have a degree in mathematics from Brown University and an MBA from the University of Chicago. My Six Sigma knowledge did not come from either of these great schools. Much like you are today, I found myself wanting to learn about Six Sigma to advance my career. When my company rolled out a Six Sigma program, I knew that I should get serious about Six Sigma if I wanted to advance, and so I did. I took the opportunity to be trained and to turn Six Sigma into my primary role. Over the next 10 years at 3 different companies, I advanced from participating in smaller projects to leading them, then to leading larger projects, and finally to coaching and training. Ultimately, I was given the responsibility to design and roll out a Six Sigma program at one of America's largest insurance companies. This is not a typical white belt course. Hiring managers at top corporations have learned that the very best Six Sigma practitioners are those who can think like a black belt. The tool sets are different between good white belts and good black belts, but the mindset can be the same. Other white belts tend to focus on tool and vocabulary awareness. This one focuses on thinking like a black belt. On our Six Sigma journey, we will learn a set of tools and methods through the use of hands-on, real-life exercises. This is the approach I rolled out in my corporate training, and this is the approach I am bringing to you in this course. You will not just be learning Six Sigma, you will be doing Six Sigma by participating in a real-life project from launch through the final tollgate. By the end of this course, you will be able to identify and execute small process improvements using the Six Sigma method, think like a black belt in business and personal decisions, participate in Six Sigma discussions, achieve white belt certification, and confidently proceed to more advanced training. I hope you're as excited about this as I am. Let's go, white belt candidate. It's time to do some Six Sigma.